Standard operating procedures of maintenance. The main purpose of the preventive maintenance SOP is to reduce the downtime of all equipment used in the hotel by minimizing mechanical failures, breakdowns, operation, and also its running costs. To ensure that equipment is serviced according to the manufacturer's specifications, a repair log datasheet is to be completed. Each piece of equipment or machinery is to be serviced according to the manufacturer's specifications and the operating conditions. All preventive maintenance functions have to be entered on the Preventive Maintenance Weekly Schedule Sheets. Preventive Maintenance Weekly Schedule Sheets have to be signed by the Engineering Supervisor Chief Engineer. The PM task needs to be also entered on the Repair Log data sheet. From the Repair Log, compile a list of all equipment, respective equipment numbers, preventive maintenance functions, and time intervals. The workload must be spread evenly over 52 weeks so that preventive maintenance is performed every week. The number of spreadsheets required is determined by the property size and the number of pieces of equipment included within the preventive maintenance schedule. When the spreadsheets have been completed and reworked to maximize efficiency, the weekly schedule sheets are to be completed. Each piece of equipment to be serviced on week 1 is taken from the respective spreadsheet and entered on a weekly schedule sheet. Equipment name, identification number, and specific maintenance functions to be performed are to be entered. As each piece of equipment is completed, the employee enters his initials and the date of completion on the preventive maintenance register. Any additional work performed and/or needed is to be noted on the submaster and a work request ticket written. The completed weekly schedule sheet is then returned to the chief engineer, along with any additional remarks. The chief engineer is to review each returned submaster sheet to ensure the preventive maintenance has been completed. Chief engineer to note any additional work performed or work which requires scheduling at a later date. Any work performed above and beyond preventive maintenance has to be entered in the repair log record sheet. The preventive maintenance sheet has to be filed in a dated binder and retained for 1 year in the engineering office. At the year end, the binders have to be put in permanent storage and kept for legal purposes.